will not maintain discipline, then you must know the nature of your Chief Justice. I will throw out all the matters, will adjourn the cases and will stop the hearing. If this is the way of you people. Interrupting. We are hearing counsel, we are starting the argument, somebody starting speaking like this. This is the way to argue in court. Are you sitting in a grain market or you are in court number 1?
Number one, this is the entire list. I don't want to load this here for the court. This is the list.
But the lists are not supposed to be sent through the court.
No, because it's not. It was
last time.
Yes.
Last time we said that because of the non-availability of sufficient manpower.
Yes.
The election commission was compelled to take up persons from the outside the state.
Yes, special officers. Yes.
Something.
Micro observers. Yes.
But during the course of hearing last time.
Yes.
Verbally,
We indicated that we would.
Yes.
We have given them the particulars of 8,505 officers. We've arranged it, and I'll just hand over. So just give the note.
Because
Just
what
the
will
note.
happen is that suppose a person from Delhi.
Yes.
Or Rajasthan or Punjab origin, suppose he goes there.
Yes.
He will not be able to understand this mismatching.
Yes, so
issue.
that's one thing.
You people will not maintain discipline, then you must know the nature of your Chief Justice. I will throw out all the matters, will adjourn the cases and will stop the hearing. If this is the way of you people. Interrupting. We are hearing counsel, we are starting the argument, somebody starting speaking like this. Is it the way to argue in court? Are you sitting in a grain market or you are in court number 1?
I'm afraid, my lords, no names were given. This is all that we have received. At 12:30 in the afternoon on Saturday.
See, because how, that is the whole problem.
Yes.
The officers with their full nomenclature, designation and particulars.
Yes.
The names will have to be sent, then only they can take them temporarily on deputation, kind of.
Yes.
Statutory deputation.
That will be furnished. We've given the particulars because we asked them kindly confirm the same at the earliest, whereupon the requisite particulars of these officers shall be shared.
Only number is given, not the names.
No, the names are fully compiled. If your lordship sees the email at page 6 of this note.
Of which
Kindly confirm the same at the earliest. So we furnished the district-wise particulars and we said that you please just confirm whereupon the requisite particulars of these officers shall be shared. For further action, so they can be immediately deployed, my lords. These are all made available. Yeah, you give it to them.
Never made available, my lords. They want it.
Sorry.
See, we don't want any dispute on facts.
Yeah.
Because then we will have to ask the Chief Secretary to file an affidavit that has he sent the names to the, because commission says.
No, my lords, I am told that we were awaiting the confirmation. The names are compiled and they are ready, district-wise and designation-wise, as your lordship indicated.
Group B, all Group B.
They are all Group B.
Till 12.
Yeah.
The mail is being sent around 12 o'clock.
Yes.
The names are not.
The advocates to the advocates.
I for the government, the lordship wants the numbers which I can offer for this. Micro observers.
No, but
What the numbers?
Singhvi,
It's not micro observers. Dr. Singhvi, it's not micro observers.
you know,
No.
state government officers who are supposed to be sent.
Yes, so therefore, well, as Group B officers,
Then ideally, on 4th February, when a statement is made before us.
Yes.
On 4th itself or on 5th itself, they could be sent the names so that these are the officers.
there's some confusion.
Lords, we took a little time to compile the names. The state took a little time. By the time that then these advocates sent it across.
But even till today, the list has not been sent. Names
The
also.
list is available, my lord.
We send them from AR to AR to
It's available.
confirm. Just note two things, Balus.
Mr. Diwan, there is a
Yes.
difference. If you will see the scheme,
Yes.
it's not the names available. It's the question the officer will have to go and report to the district electoral officer or the state election commission.
My lords, the request was that the request was that you please confirm to us and we will immediately provide the particulars because the only.
We were not required their confirmation because this was the statement made before us during the course of hearing.
Yeah.
So you were only supposed to comply with what you said before us, sending the names of 8,000 plus whatever officers you want to send.
Yeah.
That here are the officers in terms of the observation.
All right, so we'll
As
furnish that.
rightly mentioned in the
Yeah,
mail.
they will immediately furnish the list. There's no problem.
Number one, this is the entire list. I don't want to load this here for the court. This is the list. But
Singhvi, the lists were not supposed to be sent through the court.
no, Malas, it's not. It was that explanation I'll give. But just see the note of 2 pages for a minute. Well, they are saying that they didn't know about it. Just give that note. Please give it for, madam, please give this note first. Madam, this note. I'll just take 2 minutes for this. Because impression is given that we were not ready with the names. My lord wants Gazette Class B because of the earlier
Has to
name.
be, because unless you will give the details of the
Correct,
officer.
correct. Now just give me 2 minutes on this first. Just come to para 5 of this note. I'll just take a few minutes on this note and then I'll tell Lordships.
Yes.
Till 4th of February, I have deployed rather, 80,681 BLO appointed by the ERs in terms of ECI notification, the rejoinder, etc. Forget it, I've given the actual pages, where BLOs would be appointed at the first instance among any Group C and above regular serving employees of the state government enrolled as an elector. 8,524 ARROs appointed by the ECI with a notification dated 29th, 26th, 18th, etc. Dates are given. Being
That's
employees
right,
of
that
state
every
government.
state does it.
These AREs are majority from Group B, rest are from A and C. They are typically, this is important because what Lordship got earlier were craftsmen and teachers as well as painters. PDO, Deputy Secretary, BDMO, Inspector, ICDS, Revenue Inspector, BLRO. 294 EROs appointed being Group A employees of the state government. They are officers holding respective offices in terms of ECI notification, being officers who have completed 9 years of continuous service, equivalent to SDM, SDO, etc., rank. ECI is wrongly contended because West Bengal did not provide SDA rank officers. It was compelled to appoint 8,000 micro observers. When these MOs, these officials are of much lower rank, including art and craft, teachers, master craftsmen, customer, no idea of local culture, no idea of local management. ECI has raised objection to appointment of non-SDO, SDM levels as ERs. They are the letters of ECI. By letter dated 17th of October, I clarified to the ECI that officers of only the ECI notified designations have been provided, which are approved designations by ECI in previous elections, and no new designations not used earlier was considered for appointment of EROs. 294 represent all the 294 assembly constituencies.
Yes.
Then Malas, just turn the page. Certainly Malas, para 6, your Lordship will just note, all these offered as so-called micro employees or micro observers are Malas, very remarkable categories and from PSUs and central government employees having no connection with the local culture of West Bengal. None. I have highlighted 3 quaint ones, Malas, master craftsman, art and teacher, customer assistant. But even the others are Malas of PSUs. They are not local. They are only central government PSUs and central government departments.
So what is wrong with that, even if the central PSU? The question is very simple. Micro observers are from outside. So whether they are PSU or
I'll tell
central
you,
government employees.
then let me answer that. My lord is right. They are, look at the level, Malas. They are clerks. They are customer assistant. They are master craftsmen. Malas, the person has to do the job of a BLO. My lord will see what the one size fit all will not work here, Malas. These are not people who are in any manner versed. Look at my categories, Malas. The people I am giving, BDO, Deputy Secretary, BDMO, Inspector. That is the point being made. A, rank-wise very low. B, Malas, training-wise inappropriate. And then Malas, last 2 paras, 7 and 8, approximately 1 micro observer per arrow has been appointed. Such micro have been appointed from central PSUs and other organizations. They have no connect with Malas, West Bengal. They have not served there. They don't know how to handle it, Malas, straight away. If you put a clerk there, Malas, then in any event, the state, I was reading, then was para 8. In any event, I am now making, I am meaning the state government, Malas, available equivalent number of such further Group B officers across the state. Approximately, I am told it is 8,100, subject to correction. 8,500 or so, 500. Equivalent number. An indicative district-wise list, etc. Now, Malas, I understand that these were sent through advocates on record.
Your para 8, now in your today note prepared, you are saying that now you are making available them. So obviously, now this is being acknowledged also, that nobody has forwarded this list of 8,500.
Apparently, it was forwarded.
By now, the election-
Yes, very well. So
Had it been, say, sent on 5th of February itself, or 4th when we heard the matter, by now they would have taken a decision, we would have called upon them that you please tell us.
See para 9. Well, I can't, suddenly, my learned friends are also making arguments here in court only. The ECI never requested the state, never earlier, to make available further Group B officers. And the question of failure to do so cannot arise. Only the court at the Honorable Court of the last hearing made a suggestion. That's how it can only be between then and now.
Yes.
And they can perform the roles, the roles which are required, which I have itemized at page 4, etc. All I am saying is, this is a correct way of doing it. They have never involved us. They have never asked us. They have never, I mean, I suppose I could send it so moto, but that would hardly have any meaning. Your Lordship did observe this orally last time, and we have promptly put it on record.